CDTV.net Dividend Report is brought to you in part by 1M3 Corporation, IT Solutions for Banking and Finance. Call them at 917-686-3485. That's 917-686-3485. I'm John Hanna, and here are the CDTV.net Dividend Report for Monday, April 6, 2009. But first, here's today's CDTV.net top stories. Raytheon Company received 2 contracts totaling $163.5 million to provide 360-degree panoramic surveillance capability for Bradley fighting vehicles. The firm fixed price awards call for 822 Commander's Independent Viewer Block 1 units and spares to equip the U.S. Army Bradley A-3. Raytheon Company, with 2008 sales of $23.2 billion, is a technology and innovation leader specializing in defense, homeland security, and other government markets throughout the world. Ford Motor Company announced today the successful completion of debt restructuring initiatives that will reduce Ford's automotive debt by $9.9 billion from $25.8 billion at December 31, 2008, and lower Ford's annual cash interest expense by more than $500 million based on current interest rates. Ford Motor Company designs, develops, manufactures, and services cars and trucks worldwide. Royal Gold Incorporated announced that it has signed a definitive agreement with a subsidiary of Tech Camino Limited to acquire an interest in the gold production at the Andacollo mine located in Chile. The purchase price consists of $100 million in cash and approximately 4.5 million shares of Royal Gold common stock, each subject to potential adjustments. Royal Gold will receive 75% of the gold produced from the sulfide portion of the Andacollo deposit until 910,000 payable ounces of gold have been sold, after which Royal Gold will receive 50% of all future payable gold production from the property. Royal Gold is a precious metals royalty company engaged in the acquisition and management of precious metals royalty interests. ConAgra Foods Incorporated announced today that it is offering to sell $750 million aggregate principal amount of senior notes. ConAgra Foods intends to use the net proceeds from the offering to purchase up to $600 million aggregate principal amount of 3 series of its outstanding senior notes in cash tender offers that it commenced today and for general corporate purposes. ConAgra Foods Incorporated is one of North America's leading food companies. And now, the dividend report. Cedar Shopping Centers Incorporated announced that its board of directors has suspended the dividend on the company's common stock to preserve liquidity in today's capital-constrained environment. Cedar Shopping Centers Incorporated, a real estate investment trust, engages in the ownership, operation, development, and redevelopment of supermarket-anchored community shopping centers and drugstore-anchored convenience centers in the United States. Superior Industries International Incorporated announced that it will distribute a regular quarterly cash dividend of 16 cents per share, payable April 24th to shareholders of record as of April 9, 2009. Superior Industries International Incorporated engages in the design, manufacture, and sale of aluminum road wheels to original equipment manufacturers, primarily in North America. The board of directors of the First Bancorp Incorporated declared a quarterly dividend of 19.5 cents per share. This dividend is payable on April 30th to shareholders of record as of April 6, 2009. The First Bancorp Incorporated operates as a holding company for the First that provides banking services primarily for small businesses and individuals. The board of directors of Marsh and McLennan Companies Incorporated declared a quarterly dividend of 20 cents per share, payable on May 15 to shareholders of record on April 9, 2009. Marsh and McLennan Companies is a global professional services firm providing advice and solutions in the areas of risk, strategy, and human capital. General Mills Incorporated announced a quarterly dividend of 43 cents per share, payable May 1st to shareholders of record on April 9, 2009. General Mills Incorporated manufactures and markets branded and packaged consumer foods worldwide. Associated States Realty Corporation announced that a quarterly dividend of 17 cents per share has been declared on the company's common shares. The dividend is payable on May 1st to shareholders of record on April 15, 2009. Associated States Realty Corporation is a real estate investment trust and is a member of the Russell 2000 Index. For more information about these dividends and other announcements, go to cdtv.net.